Have you ever wondered how chocolate is made in a factory? From raw cocoa beans to the smooth chocolate bars we all love, today we'll take you behind the scenes of a modern chocolate factory and show every step of the chocolate making process. Cocoa beans arrival. Chocolate begins with cocoa beans. These raw beans arrive at the factory in large sacks, ready to start their journey. The beans are poured onto conveyor belts and transported into the factory for cleaning and preparation. Cocoa beans pass through vibrating screens and air blowers that remove dust, stones, and other impurities. Sorting machines ensure only the best beans move forward for roasting. Roasting. Next, the beans enter large industrial roasting machines. Rotating drums roast the beans evenly, enhancing the chocolate's flavor and aroma. The beans change color as they roast, and steam rises from the machines, creating a warm, satisfying sight. After roasting, the beans are cracked open and their outer shells are removed in the winnowing process. What remains are cocoa nibs, the heart of chocolate. Grinding into cocoa liquor. The cocoa nibs are then ground into a thick, smooth paste called cocoa liquor. This paste, which contains melted cocoa butter, is the base for all types of chocolate. The rich, glossy chocolate liquid flows steadily through industrial grinders. Mixing ingredients. At this stage, ingredients like sugar, milk powder, and additional cocoa butter are added. Industrial mixers blend the chocolate mixture until it becomes smooth, creamy, and ready for refining. The proportions depend on whether the chocolate is dark, milk, or white chocolate. Refining. The chocolate mixture passes through refining rollers that reduce particle size, making the chocolate ultra smooth. The refining process ensures silky texture and prepares the chocolate for conching.
That is perfect.
Conching. Conching is a critical process where the chocolate is continuously stirred in large machines. This step develops flavor, removes bitterness, and produces the smooth, glossy chocolate we all recognize. Tempering. Next, the chocolate is tempered. This involves heating and cooling the chocolate to precise temperatures, giving it a shiny finish, a perfect snap, and ideal texture. Tempering machines ensure consistency across all chocolate bars. Molding, cooling, and packaging. Finally, the tempered chocolate is poured into molds, shaped into bars, and cooled in industrial tunnels. Once hardened, the bars move to automated packaging machines where they are wrapped, boxed, and prepared for shipment to stores worldwide.
After conching and detonning, the chocolate is precisely tempered and poured into molds. It then enters the cooling tunnel.
From cocoa bean to delicious chocolate bar, this is how chocolate is made.